Welcome, everyone. In today's exploration, we're delving into the core of disaster recovery planning, with a focus on two vital metrics: recovery time objective, RTO, and recovery point objective, RPO. Join us as we decipher the intricacies of these metrics and understand their pivotal role in ensuring business continuity. RTO and RPO, often regarded as technical jargon, hold the keys to effective disaster recovery. Before we dive into the details, let's demystify these terms. Recovery time objective, RTO, is the maximum acceptable downtime after an incident, while recovery point objective, RPO, signifies the maximum tolerable data loss. These metrics serve as the compass guiding businesses through the storms of disruptions, providing a structured approach to recovery. Imagine RTO as a ticking clock representing the time a system or service can be down after an incident. The countdown begins as soon as an issue arises. Shorter RTOs are essential for critical systems, minimizing downtime to keep operations running smoothly. Defining your RTO is not just a technicality, it's a strategic decision aligning with the criticality of your business functions. Shifting gears to RPO, it's all about the data. RPO signifies the maximum allowable data loss in case of an incident. If your RPO is 1 hour, it means you're willing to accept up to 1 hour of data loss. This metric shapes your data backup and recovery strategies. Defining RPO is akin to setting the dial on a time machine, determining how far back in time your data should be recoverable. Extended downtime and data loss can have severe consequences for a business. Having well-defined RTO and RPO metrics is akin to having a robust insurance policy. Businesses with clear recovery goals are better equipped to handle disruptions, ensuring a more seamless recovery process. Defined RTO and RPO metrics not only safeguard your operations but also contribute to maintaining customer trust and business reputation, especially in today's fast-paced digital landscape. While RTO and RPO are essential, they come with challenges. Budget constraints, rapidly evolving technology, and the dynamic nature of cyber threats can pose hurdles in maintaining effective recovery strategies. Understanding these challenges is crucial for adapting and fine-tuning your disaster recovery plan over time. It's a continuous process of optimization to stay ahead of potential disruptions. As we conclude our deep dive into recovery time objective and recovery point objective, remember that these metrics are not merely checkboxes on a disaster recovery checklist. They are your allies, guiding you through the storm, ensuring a structured and efficient path to recovery. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more profound insights. For now, stay resilient, stay informed, and happy planning.